Hi guys, welcome to this video. Hi. Yes, so I like to go to or that we can go to my freezer door. So that'll be good. Oh yeah. Yes. So my freezer door is that away. Yeah. You are in my kitchen. Here we go. Kitchen. I'm happy to show you my freezer door. All right, so my freezer door has pictures, so that's what I'm gonna show you, some pictures. Yes, so this pictures is Miss um, or Mrs. Taylor Swift, and I got that picture over at Xfinity. I don't know if you guys got Xfinity, you know, in your city, you know. Hi, that's the picture. Xfinity, the 1989 World Tour, Taylor Swift. Xfinity, the 1989 World Tour, Taylor Swift. This it says it two twice and stuff, and that's her picture right there. She was wearing a glasses, and she got a bob haircut or emo blonde haircut. So that's cool. She got a ring. She got a ring on her um, left hand, right hand. Uh, it looks like she's in the city with a building um, at in the back. It looks like she's in the waterfront, in the river, dock, you know, there. Yep. Hi. So yeah, there was um Taylor Swift picture, and it's good. It's awesome. You know, I actually got it at the Xfinity Center or store or office. Well, store and stuff. So, uh, yep, office could be office, store, everything there. So yeah, where people get their cable. You know. Yeah. Yeah, and I could show you all of my freezer door right about now. Yes, in one, two, three, go. So okay, so in the bottom I have a bird that I took a picture of from outside. That's my mom and me at the barber shop. You know, that's where some stuff needed to be fixed. That thing, the gap needed to be fixed there. More birds. My mom's flower in her last apartment. A trip to Canopy Lake Park. That's pretty cool. And me in a garage. That's a Manaki garage parking lot. Yeah. Yeah. So that's what I wanted to show today. A trip to my freezer door. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day. See you later. Bye.